Hi everyone. In this video, we will show how to post a video on Instagram, not Reel. First of all, open the Instagram app. Tap on the upload icon from the bottom right corner. Tap to select multiple videos and photos. Then tap on Next from the right corner. Now tap on the share button to post the videos. After that, go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap on Menu from the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Help. Then select Report a Problem. Select Report Problem without sharing and tap on Include and Continue. Describe your problem here as I want to be able to upload regular videos on my Instagram account and not just Reels. Then tap on Send from the top right corner. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.